Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to study a construction topic, that is practical geometry from class 8. Okay, so here directly we are going to study from the exercise 7.1. So here they have given some construction points. So that is, construct a quadrilateral ABCD where they have given the question as where AB is 4.5 centimeter, BC is 5.5 centimeter, CD is 4 centimeter, AD is equal to 6 centimeter and AC is equals to 7 centimeter. So we need to draw a rough diagram to understand how to construct this quadrilateral. Okay, so let us first draw the rough diagram related to this. So here you can see I am going to draw just a rough diagram. Okay, so let us name this as A, B, C and D. Okay, so here they have given AB is given as 4.5 centimeter. So let us write this as 4.5 centimeter. So BC is 5.5 centimeter. So our BC must be 5.5 centimeter. CD is 4 centimeter. AD is 6 centimeter and one more they have given, that is AC. AC must be equals to 7 centimeter. So our AC is here and this must be equal to 7 centimeter. So this is our rough diagram. So according to this rough diagram we have to draw the actual diagram with the correct measurements. Okay, so the first thing what we have to do here is we have to draw this BC, which is our 5.5 centimeter. Okay, so let us draw our BC as 5.5 centimeter. So it is, okay, so this is BC, which is 5.5 centimeter. Okay, then the next thing what we have to draw is this AB, which is our 4.5 centimeter. So we will take our compass. Okay, we will take our compass and we will take the measurement of 4.5 centimeter. Okay, so keeping the point on B, we have to just cut an arc here which is of 4.5 centimeter. Okay, then we can see here that our AC is 7 centimeter. So again take the distance of 7 centimeter here. Okay, now keeping the point at C, cut an arc. Okay, then next step what we have to do is join the point B as well as join the point C. Okay, now we got three things, that is our BC is 5.5 centimeter, AB, this point is A. Okay, then our AB we got as 4.5 centimeter, we got our AC as 7 centimeter. Okay, next what is remaining, only the upper triangle is remaining. So what we have to do, see this CD, we are having CD as 4 centimeter. Again take an arc of 4 centimeter. Okay, so from C we have to take 4 centimeter, just an arc. Okay, then again we are having AD as 6 centimeter. Again keeping at point A we have to take 6 centimeter. Just take the measurement of 6 centimeter again. Okay, so keeping at this point we have to cut an arc here. Now what we have to do is we have to join this points, this point here, and we will join this point here. Okay, this is our D point and this is the measurement of 4 centimeter as well as this is the measurement of 6 centimeter. Okay, see the second question here. The second question is as follows. Construct a quadrilateral JUMP where they have given the measurement JU must be 3.5 centimeter, UM must be 4 centimeter, MP must be 5 centimeter, PJ is equals to 4.5 centimeter and PU is equals to 6.5 centimeter. So as the first one we have done, we have to draw here also a rough diagram. Okay, so let us draw a rough diagram. So JUMP. So this is JUM and P. Okay. What is our JU? JU is nothing but 3.5 centimeter. Then UM is 4 centimeter. MP is 5 centimeter. And PJ is 4.5 centimeter. Then the last part is PU. PU is nothing but it is 6.5 centimeter. So our PU must be 6.5 centimeter. Okay. So let us start our construction. First thing what we need here is UM. It must be 4 centimeter. Okay. So let us draw our UM as 4 centimeter. Okay. 4 centimeter I have taken. This is U and this is M. It is 4 centimeter. So the second step what we have to do is, keeping on M, we have to take this distance 5 centimeter. Okay. We have to take 5 centimeter and we have to cut an arc over here. Keeping on the point M, cut an arc here. Okay. Then again from here we need, you can see here we need PU, PU, it is nothing but 6.5 centimeter. So from here we have to keep the point at U and we have to cut this arc at 6.5 centimeter. So for that we have to take the arc length of 6.5 centimeter. Okay. So this is our 6.5 centimeter. Keep this at U point and cut an arc. Okay. Now we got 2 points here. One we have to join here and another we have to join at the point U. So what is this point what we got here? That is nothing but P. Our PU it is 6.5 centimeter and PM is nothing but 5 centimeter. We got this part. Again the half part is remaining, that is 4.5 centimeter. From P we have to take 4.5 centimeter. So taking 4.5 centimeter here. Okay. So keep the point at P. Cut an arc here. Similarly we need here JU, that is 3.5 centimeter. Again we have to keep our arc here at U and we have to cut the point here at 3.5 centimeter. So let us take the measurement of 3.5 centimeter. It will be somewhere here. So okay. So here we need to extend this as we are not getting an arc here. Okay. So next what we have to do is, we have to join this. Okay. And we have to join this. So this point is nothing but J. This length is 4.5 centimeter and this length is 3.5 centimeter. So that's all is the answer here. So moving on to the third question. The third question is given as, construct the quadrilateral MORE, which is a parallelogram, and the measurements are given as follows. OR is equals to 6 centimeter, RE is equals to 4.5 centimeter and EO is equals to 7.5 centimeter. So as basic thing what we have to draw here is, we have to draw a rough diagram over here. So MORE. So let us draw a rough diagram here, which is M, this is O, R and E. Okay. So the measurements here given is, OR must be 6 centimeter, RE must be 4.5 centimeter and EO must be 7.5 centimeter. Okay. So they have already mentioned here that it is a parallelogram. We should know that when it is a parallelogram, opposite sides will be equal. So here it must be 4.5 centimeter as the opposite side is 4.5 centimeter. Similarly, as this is 6 centimeter, the opposite side here must be 6 centimeter. This is the condition in case of parallelogram. Okay, so let us start our construction. So the first thing what we have to do is the base, that is OR, that must be equal to 6 centimeter. So our base is equals to 6 centimeter. We have to draw a line which is 6 centimeter. OR which is 6 centimeter. Okay. Then the next part what we have to do is 4.5 centimeter. We have to cut an arc at 4.5 centimeter. So let us take our 4.5 centimeter here. Okay. So somewhere here we will get an arc. Next what we have to see is OE, which is at 7.5 centimeter. Again we have to take the arc as 7.5 centimeter. Okay. Keeping at the point O, we have to cut this arc. Now next step what we have to do is join both the cases. Here we have to join, as well as we have to join it here. So this point is nothing but E. We got here, this is 4.5 centimeter we got, and this is we got 7.5 centimeter. Okay. Next, as we have taken this as 6 centimeter, we have to start from here. We have to take an arc of 6 centimeter again. Keeping at this point, just we have to cut an arc here. Okay. Okay. So next we need the last point what we need here is OM, which must be 4.5 centimeter. So keeping at this point, we have to cut an arc of 4.5. So let us take the measurement of 4.5 centimeter. Keeping at this point, cut an arc. So next what we have to do is join these points. Okay, and join this point. Okay, so this point is nothing but M. This distance is nothing but 6 centimeter, and this distance is nothing but 4.5 centimeter. So that's all here, this construction part. Okay, moving to the last question of this exercise 7.1. The question is construct the quadrilateral which is a rhombus. Okay, quadrilateral BEST, where BE is given as 4.5 centimeter and ET is given as 6 centimeter. So we should know that rhombus is the figure which is similar to square and it is in the shape of the diamond. Okay, so this is the rough diagram for our rhombus. So let us name this as B, E, S and T. Okay, so as they have given, our BE is nothing but 4.5 centimeter, BE is 4.5 centimeter, and ET, this part they have given it as 6 centimeter. So as I told you here before only that rhombus is nothing but it is similar to square. It means square has all 4 sides equal. It means rhombus is also having the 4 sides as equal. So we have to take this all the 4 sides as equal. So that is all 4 sides will be of same length, that is 4.5 centimeter. Okay, so let us start. The basic thing what we have to do here is first thing, that is our 6 centimeter. As the diagram is in the diamond shape, first what we have to take here, it must be of 6 centimeter. Our ET, that is 6 centimeter. Okay, so our ET, that is 6 centimeter we have taken. The next part what we have to do is we have to take a length of 4.5 centimeter. Okay, 4.5 centimeter here. Okay, so you can see here both the sides it is having 4.5 centimeter. So what we have to do, keeping on point T, cut an arc here. Similarly, keeping on point E, cut an arc here. Okay, similarly downside what we have to do, cut an arc here. Similarly, keeping on E at this point, cut an arc here. Okay, now join all the points As you can see here, we have to join this point. We have to join this point. Similarly, the down part. Okay. And here also we have to join the last part. So name this. This is nothing but B and this is nothing but S. So this is 4.5 centimeter. This is 4.5 centimeter. Each is 4.5 centimeter. Everyone we are having it as 4.5 centimeter. So that's all is the answer. So that's all is this exercise. I hope you understand this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.